Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You are welcome in spoken Arabic class, and in today's class we will learn some patterns and constructions in which we will learn to form different sentences in Arabic. First, we will learn if we want to say I will bring, how to say it in Arabic. First, we will learn this.
سأحضر الخيمة والسجادة.
I will bring the tent and the carpet. سأحضر الخيمة means I will bring.
سأحضر الكتاب والمعجم.
I will bring the book and the dictionary.
سأحضر الطعام والشراب.
I will bring the food and drink.
سأحضر التلفاز والحاسوب.
I will bring the TV and the computer.
سأحضر التمر والعنب.
I will bring the dates and grapes.
سأحضر الشاي والقهوة.
I will bring the tea and coffee.
سأحضر السمك والدجاج.
I will bring the fish and chicken. In this exercise, next exercise, we will learn to say will we go to the market? In this exercise, we will learn to say in Arabic, shall we go or should we go or will we, shall we go or should we go? And we will go, we shall go, or we should go. This sentence, if you want to make such sentence in sentences, so that will be learned in this exercise.
هل نذهب إلى السوق الآن؟
Should we go to the market
نذهب
now?
غدا إن شاء الله.
We will go tomorrow, inshallah.
هل نذهب إلى المكتبة الآن؟
Should we go to the library now?
نذهب غدا إن شاء الله.
We will go tomorrow, inshallah.
هل نذهب إلى المختبر الآن؟
Should we go to the laboratory now?
نذهب غدا إن شاء الله.
We will go tomorrow, inshallah.
هل نذهب إلى الجامعة الآن؟
Should we go to the university now?
نذهب غدا إن شاء الله.
We will go tomorrow, inshallah.
هل نذهب إلى الكلية الآن؟
Should we go to the faculty or college now?
نذهب غدا إن شاء الله.
We will go tomorrow, inshallah.
هل نذهب إلى المدرسة الآن؟
Should we go to the school now?
نذهب غدا إن شاء الله.
We will go tomorrow, inshallah.
هل نذهب إلى الشركة الآن؟
Should we go to the company now?
نذهب غدا إن شاء الله.
We will go tomorrow, inshallah. And in next exercise, we will learn to say where is in Arabic and I left it in Arabic. So let us start.
أين المعطف؟
Where is the code?
تركته في الشركة.
I left it at the company.
أين الكتاب؟
Where is the book?
تركته في المدرسة.
I left it at the school.
أين المنبه؟
Where is the alarm clock?
تركته في الغرفة.
I left it in the room.
أين المعجم؟
Where is the dictionary?
تركته في الصف.
I left it in class.
أين القلم؟
Where is the pen?
تركته في المختبر.
I left it in the laboratory.
أين الدفتر؟
Where is the notebook?
تركته في المدرسة.
I left it at school.
أين الثوب؟
Where is the thobe or cloth?
تركته في الشقة.
I left it in the apartment. In next exercise, there is only one change, and that is change of pronoun. In previous exercise, there was male pronoun who, and here in this exercise, there is feminine pronoun ha. So let's start this exercise.
أين المظلة؟
Where is the umbrella?
تركتها في السيارة.
I left it in the car.
أين الصحيفة؟
Where is the newspaper?
تركتها في الغرفة.
I left it in the room.
أين الساعة؟
Where is the watch?
تركتها في الكلية.
I left it at the faculty or
أين
college.
الصورة؟
Where is the picture?
تركتها في البيت.
I left it in the house.
أين السجادة؟
Where is the rug or carpet?
تركتها في البر.
I left it at the countryside.
أين الفاكهة؟
Where is the fruit?
تركتها في الثلاجة.
I left it in the refrigerator.
أين القهوة؟
Where is the coffee?
تركتها في المطبخ.
I left it in the kitchen. In this exercise, we will learn about temperature. If you want to speak about temperature, how to speak about temperature in Arabic, in this exercise, we will learn this. So let's start.
كم درجة الحرارة في الرياض؟
What is the
درجة
temperature in Riyadh?
الحرارة 20.
The temperature is 20 degrees Celsius.
كم درجة الحرارة في مكة؟
What is the temperature in Mecca?
درجة الحرارة 30.
The temperature is 30. That means 30 degrees Celsius.
كم درجة الحرارة في المدينة؟
What is the temperature in Medina?
درجة الحرارة 10.
The temperature is 10 degrees Celsius.
كم درجة الحرارة في دمشق؟
What is the temperature in Damascus?
درجة الحرارة 5.
The temperature is 5 degrees Celsius.
كم درجة الحرارة في لندن؟
What is the temperature in London?
درجة الحرارة تحت الصفر.
The temperature is below 0 degrees Celsius. In this exercise, we will learn to speak about weather, different seasons. So let us start.
السماء تمطر.
The sky is
هذا
pouring
فصل الخريف.
or it is raining. This is autumn season.
الجو حار.
The weather is hot.
هذا فصل الصيف.
This is summer season.
الجو معتدل.
The weather is temperate, moderate.
هذا فصل الربيع.
This is spring season.
الجو بارد.
The weather is cold.
هذا فصل الشتاء.
This is winter season.
السماء تمطر.
The sky is pouring. That means it is raining.
هذا فصل الخريف.
This is autumn season.